Hello everybody, this is Adrian for WapCar.my here to help you find your next perfect car, and this is the 2022 Nissan Serena Facelift. Instead of showing you all the nitty-gritty stuff like a regular review, I'm going to show you how practical this Serena is as I make my way to the beach. So I've packed some food and drinks for the picnic by the beach later, and in the Serena here, it has this hands-free powered sliding door for when your hands are full, so it makes it super easy to load items in. As for my bags, I'll put it into the boot, and as you can see in this kind of tight parking spots. Opening the entire tailgate, it's near impossible, but fortunately in the Serena, there's this dual back door function where it just opens on the top section of the glass deck for you to just load your items into the boot very easily. And every single occasion that I spend my time in the Serena, this dual back door has came in very handy. Maneuvering the Nissan Serena is actually not as all intimidating as some of you may think. Even though this looks like a large, big MPV, the overall width is actually narrower than a Honda City. So really all you have to take care of is just the length of the car. And when navigating through tight spots, it's very easy because there's this Nissan intelligent around view camera, the 360-degree camera for you to get a bird's eye view of your surroundings, and coming off tight spots, no issues. So I've dragged my colleagues out to follow me on this kind of day trip over to Pantai Morib. It's about an hour plus away from our office in KL. Just a nice, near, secluded beach. Because I figured, what's the fun in me driving this nice, comfortable 7-seater MPV alone to the beach when I can drag my colleagues out to get them also experience the car and have people to talk to when I'm arriving there. So I've stuffed my colleague Kajun over into the third row seat of the Serena. Pity Kajun, he's quite big size. Kajun, 點樣? Okay mo? Okay ah? 舒服mo? 哇，靚啊? Oh, okay, so yeah, for Kajun, such a tall person, how tall are you, Kajun? 184 centimeters tall, and he's not by all means S size or M size. Third row seats, okay oh. So out in the open, the Serena is just a very composed MPV. It makes you feel at ease, gives you the confidence, especially when taking corners at highway triple-digit speeds. The suspension is just also pliant. It's not floaty at all, so the passengers at the back would just be very comfortable, especially when doing long distance like this on the highway. You don't just get dizzy or whatnot. And under the hood, what surprised me in this Serena is the 2-litre naturally aspirated 4-cylinder petrol engine. Pushing out 150 horsepower and 200 Nm of torque is just very responsive. And response to me, I feel it's way more important, especially when you're setting off the line, when you're trying to make overtaking maneuvers. You just prod the throttle and off you go. Yeah, Serena. On this range-topping premium Highway Star variant, you get this brown quilted Napa leather upholstery, which I think just elevates the cabin ambience, giving a much more premium feel to it. It's also very comfortable, like a Boss, very nice. On the updated Serena, you also get a larger 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so in-car connectivity you're well taken care of. Something to note is that if you want to connect on the screen itself, you have to use a Type-C cable to connect to the screen. And special mention to the audio quality. The sound system inside the Serena is actually quite top quality. The way it just reprocesses the audios, the melodies, the treble, the bass, it's quite clear. And for a factory audio system, I mean, I have zero complaints. In fact, I'm gonna give a thumbs up to the audio system. Going on trips in an MPV is just an entirely different experience compared to what you say a traditional 5-seater, an SUV, a sedan. An MPV, everybody has their own comfortable, spacious seat. You just feel relaxed. You're able to properly relax on your way en route to your destination. And an MPV, you get to fit everyone, the whole family, luggage and all that, all into one car. You get to have a nice conversation with them. It's just a very intimate moment. Being in an MPV versus what you say in a SUV where you have to squeeze a little bit in the back row. In here, everyone just gets their own space, comfortable, and it's just a very intimate moment with everyone. So we just arrived here at Pantai Morib, and as you can see, I didn't bring any chairs, but it's okay because in the Serena, you can fold away the third row seats. And once you stow away the third row seats, because of the Serena's low load lip, there's just plenty of space for you to put long, larger items. For example, your golf clubs, baby strollers, everything. We just dump it right in here. Yeah. It's getting a little bit warm outside, so welcome to my little makeshift crib inside the Nissan Serena. The middle row's captain's chairs is able to slide sideways to link them up together and fold all the way down flat to create a nice little bed. Yes, it's no queen size, but it's more than comfortable enough for 2 people. And then you can have your movie playing up there on the roof-mounted monitor, have the side sunshades up for better security and privacy, the roof-mounted air vents keeping the cabin nice and chilled, and you just sit back, relax, and enjoy the moment. You really have to hand it to the Japanese for knowing how to create special spaces and experiences like this. The weather today here at Pantai Morib was just perfect, breezy, not too sunny, perfect day to just chill out. This Nissan Serena is my top pick for a family car at this price point. Yes, it does give off some soccer mom, soccer dad kind of vibes, but really, if you combine the space, practicality, flexibility, and the ability to create unique experiences in the Nissan Serena, this is it. Let me know in the comment section below what do you think of the Nissan Serena Facelift. And as always, thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this.